Good afternoon. Welcome back to another altcoin season show. My name's Karen at Traders Network Club, and today we're going to talk about some speculation once again going on with Russia and Ukraine. A lot of news going out there, a lot of tweets trending the internet right now. So we're going to get and dive into that. And also Elon Musk tweeted about Hbar. So we're going to talk about that too. So all right, guys, let's get right to it. All right. Welcome back, everybody. So, a lot of stuff trending about Russia and Ukraine. It looks like Russia just invaded Ukraine. So, looks like it's Europe's darkest hour since World War II. And I just want to first say I send all love and support to Ukraine. I hope everything's going to turn out fine over there. And we're not going to dive too much into this. This is going to be a pretty short session. Not a lot to talk about when there's just everything is just talks about Ukraine and Russia. But there are a lot of key levels in the market right now that there's good times to get in and buy. We're sitting at some good key levels to buy that I do want to talk about. But I'm not going to dive in too much about this. I don't have so much information about this war that's going on. But look, no one likes war, right? And unfortunately, it's just something we can't control. So we just have to just keep an eye out and just make sure that before we invest, we know the speculation that's going on right now. Because as you can see here, there's been a whole special military operation that Putin has launched. There's been missiles raining down Ukraine. And there's a lot of economic problems right now. The stock market is down. Even in the U.S., it's down. Russia's is like 30% down the stock market. So there's a lot of bad things happening right now, and it doesn't look good. As you can see here, it just doesn't look good. Okay, so let's go take a look at the cryptos right now. As you can see for the daily, it's pretty red for the day, right? But it looks like for the hour, it's starting to see a little. Okay, just earlier it started turning a little green. But if you look at the market, I mean, if we take a look at Bitcoin, let's take a look at Bitcoin here, and let's see where the key levels that I'm looking at right now. So Bitcoin here on the 4-hour. You can see it kind of broke through this trend line, but we just got in an oversold position right here. Looks like the RSI signal is going to cross the percentage K, so we could look for we might get a little rally and then another dip, I believe. It looks like the 100 or the 50 EMA does not want to cross, so we're still looking for another downtrend. So looking at the daily here, if we look at the daily, I'm still looking for Bitcoin to get around 32,000. We might get that. Let me just take a closer look here. So yeah, I think you can see we're getting a huge dip going to the oversold position. So I think we're still going to take a huge dip for the day before we start seeing some green. I think there's still going to be some correction moves happening in the market. If you look at XRP, remember we talked about selling right here. You'll be looking good. Looks like we're starting to get into a demand zone. So, like I said, you still got the signal crossing down. So it looks like you're gonna get a nice dip here in the XRP. Another huge dip. EMA is still below the 200, so we're looking for a downtrend. So XRP could come down to that 50 cents. Who knows? If it does, that is a huge key level to actually go and buy an XRP. But right now, if you're selling, you could be holding a little bit if you want more profits, all the way down here. But I mean, obviously, I would have taken my profits already out here. Gala, just like all these coins, looks like there's just going to be some more correction, a lot more bearish moves before we get to that bullish. It's really all going to come down to Bitcoin, guys. It's really all going to come to Bitcoin really testing this level right here, okay? This level right here at 32. If Bitcoin can just, that's why I believe we're still going to see that little correction in the market with the altcoins. If Bitcoin is dipping down below to that key level before we start seeing some upside, okay? Now, let's take a look at Hbar, okay? Hbar is sitting at a great level. I'm pretty sure. Let me just pull out this daily. So you can see it's in this little falling wedge. And this key level is 15 cents, okay? That's where I believe if we get that dip in the market, I believe we're going to get close to that 15 cents in Hbar. And that's a key level to get in, guys. Key level, okay? You can still see we're still going that downtrend. Still doesn't want to, break through that resistance. So we're still getting another dip. So I believe Hbar gets to 15 cents, guys. Huge key level. That's why I have this yellow line right here to show you this is a nice key level. Looking in to get in Hbar. And also talking about Hbar, Elon Musk tweeted an Hbar signal. It's like a math equation. Oh, sorry guys, I need to sneeze. When you get that in your nose, it like tickles and you have to sneeze. All right, sorry about that. So he tweeted a symbol of Hbar. So that's pretty unique, pretty interesting. Looks like it's some math equation, but a lot of people tweeting about that with Elon Musk. I believe it gave like a little pump on the 4 hour. If we look at the 4 hour here. So that was a 22nd. So like right over here, he like tweeted about it. So it kind of just gave a little pump. Nothing crazy. Obviously, people got in here and took their profits when they see that tweet because some people like to just jump right on that hype, right? So Hbar, I'm looking for Hbar to get to this key level, huge key level to get in around 15 cents if it can get there. Even if it just gets close to it, I'm still looking to get in. But I'm not gonna get in right now. I still believe we're gonna get a couple cents dip. So, looking at Bitcoin and looking at how everything's setting up, we're gonna get a nice, still another bearish move in the market. Axie Infinity, everybody. I said if Axie Infinity comes back down here, we're looking to get in again. And look what Axie Infinity did. It actually passed that orange or yellow line where I was looking to get in. So Axie Infinity is in a great level to get in right now. Great. This is a great spot to get in, guys. This is a great spot. So if you are spot trading, this is a time to throw some money in Axie Infinity. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't do what I tell you to do. Do your own research before you do your own due diligence. But just my opinion, great level sitting at right now for Axie Infinity. If you want to go ahead and spot trade. Shiba is looking, we've talked about Shiba for the last couple weeks now. And Shiba, I'm very bullish on Shiba. I'm still holding. And we talked about the metaverse, Shibaverse, all that. And it looks like they are coming out with their own real estate. So announces 99,000 digital real estate properties will be available for purchase on their metaverse. That is insane, guys. I can't tell you how this is going to pan out, but I can tell you most likely going to pan out in a good favor. So great could possibly be a great investment if you do your research. Take a look more in detail, look more into the Shiba metaverse and what they're trying to build. And if you're bullish on it and if you want to invest, this won't be a bad idea to invest in real estate property, digital real estate property. Because if you look at other real estate digital properties like Sandbox, like Mana, like Gala, and those certain games, they are doing great. Okay. So I can't see a problem Shiba having. That's pretty well known to have a problem with their metaverse and their real estate. Okay, so I think they will sell out fast, and I think they will be in the long term a real good investment. So that is something you guys should definitely take a look at. Okay, definitely take a look at. Now that is pretty much. Let's just take a look at Um, let's just take a look at the NFT market real quick. OpenSea just had a problem this week with their phishing attack. So they had people getting scammed, losing money, and I believe they got sued for like $1 million. So didn't look good for OpenSea. So don't got much to say about that. I'm sure they're gonna fix it. Luckily, they do not have a coin. Luckily, OpenSea does not have a coin that controls it, because that coin would have dipped a lot. It would have probably like dipped like 30% with everything that just happened in OpenSea. But there is a project that just dropped, and it was a huge project that I've been talking about in my NFT shows, and that's why we didn't do an NFT show yesterday, because of all this problems that was happening with OpenSea. But if you've been watching, we've been talking about a project called Invisible Friends. It was going to be a huge project that I talked about, one of the biggest projects that I was looking forward to. So let's take a look real quick at how that did. Okay. Invisible Friends. Did I spell friends wrong? Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's see what we got working here. So it's sitting at almost 10 ETH, guys. Now, obviously, it's not revealed yet. And I'm going to pull it up here so I can really take a look and analyze the floor price of what it actually did here. So let me just go and type it here. Visible Friends. Oh, nope. I don't know which one's going to be. Probably this one. Let's see. Nope. That's not. Why it has so many of these things. It annoys me. It annoys me so much when they do this. All right. Found the right one. Okay. So let's take a look here. Let's take a look at this table right here. So if we look at no filters, wow. Wow, this actually just, I mean, this is crazy. Okay. So obviously not a really good project to flip right now. But actually, if you did buy in here, like if this is definitely like as soon as you saw it starting to get like flat right here, this is probably where a lot of people started buying right here. Okay, so like 7, 8 ETH. So 8 ETH now, it's obviously almost 10 ETH. So people probably bought here and probably gonna hold right before the reveal. So coming next week, I don't know when the reveal is. I would have to just check. I can check now if you want me to. How much time we got? Go? All right, yeah, we can check. Let me see the reveal real quick here. Let's go to their. Let's just go to their Twitter account. So yeah, look at the almost So they're over 500,000. Okay, and they just minted the 23rd. So it was yesterday. Mint is open for 24 hours. I can promise you they did not have a public mint. It was completely sold out on the whitelist. I can promise you that. Yeah, that's probably see. I knew that's why I looked at the comments real quick because I knew you were gonna see someone there saying, "Why can't I mint? Someone help me." That's because it's sold out, my friend. Yeah, it's sold out. So some people you can see there's some people trying to mint that were new to the NFT game. So, anyways, definitely got sold out. No doubt got sold out in the whitelist. There was no chance in the public mint. No chance when there's a project this big like this. So let's take a look at their Discord. Their Discord might be closed. It's usually what they do. Let me see here. But once again, guys, NFTs is definitely a different way of trading. Okay. Now I always say, if you don't have a lot of money, don't trade NFTs. Okay. Don't trade NFTs. It's only if you got a lot of money to put in, because you definitely want to invest in these bigger projects, okay? And people always ask me, like, why would I invest in these bigger projects? Because then I'm going to lose more money. Why not invest in these smaller projects? Because if I do, things do go south, I'm not losing thousands of dollars. I'm losing like 100, $200, whatever the case is, right? Well, you have to understand when you're investing in these smaller projects, okay, they can crash easier because there's not much there's not much of a community behind it to support it. So these smaller projects can actually fall down and fail a lot easier and faster than these bigger projects that are showing that there's growth. Okay, and why invest in a small project that shows no growth? It's cheap, $200, but you're 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 like your win and lose rate is going to be a lot higher. Your losing rate is going to be a lot higher when you invest in these smaller projects because you're going to lose a lot more. Yeah, you're losing less money, but you're losing more. Throw the money in the bigger projects, invest in the projects that are showing growth, showing support, and there's a huge community behind it that is bullish, right? And those projects are the ones that grow. So that's why I say invest your money in the bigger projects. That's why you need money to invest, because they are expensive. As you can see, that was 8 ETH. 8 ETH. So people were buying there around 8 ETH and then trying to now looking to flip before the reveal. It's already sitting at almost 10 ETH. So they could they could flip now for almost 2 ETH if they want to, if they got at that price. But do they want to flip it for 2 ETH? No, they could wait till right before the reveal, because price goes all the way up till that reveal, it drops. So right before that reveal, that's when they take their profits, and it could go up more than 10 ETH, possibly. We'll see. We'll find out next week. So let me just see where the reveal date is. I just like lost my train of thought there. So let me do I definitely follow them, right? No, I might not. Okay. So I'll take they'll definitely post it on their Twitter when it comes close. They will post it on their Twitter. So just to give you an idea, yeah, post reveal, that's what's gonna happen. As you can see, it's starting to trend up now, and uh yeah, volume, a lot of volume. As you can see, let's go trending real quick. Should definitely be up here. See, now people are trying to. This is what happens when a big project comes up. People want to throw these derivatives. Yeah, you got invisible MFers. So a lot of people are gonna come and throw these derivatives, no problem. Oh, so here it is. Okay. 3 days ago. All right, so we're going to keep an eye on that, guys. That's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. I think there was actually another coin I wanted to just mention before we did, was Engine. And Chainlink is just sitting at a really low price, guys. Chainlink, looking at the daily, Chainlink is just up at a pretty nice key level too to get in. So you can see it's coming back to that floor key level right there. So Chainlink is another one. I mean, it's sitting at $12, really pretty cheap for Chainlink if you've been trading Chainlink for a while. And Engine is one I'm also looking at right here. As you can see, Engine, here's a key level right here. If Engine can get under $1, but it's already broke through this resistance trend line right here. The support trend line right here. And the fact that we're on the daily, the fact that the 50-day 50 EMA has crossed that 200 is showing me that we're definitely on a downtrend here. Excuse me, sorry. So, what should you do here? It's showing the breakthrough, but there's a key level here that I'm looking at if you want to get at a better price. But with everything I'm looking at with the Bitcoin and the altcoins, looks like there is going to be this little, bearish move before we get that bullish move. So I think you could just wait on this a little bit and really see it come down to that close to that $1 and under 10 cents. Then I'll be looking to get in and cost average if it's necessary. So another coin looking at sitting at a good level. Okay, these coins are sitting at good levels right now. So it's definitely a good time to look in the market for some buys. So anyways, guys, that's it. A lot of speculation with Russia, Ukraine, Hbar's looking good. Some of these old coins looking good. Everything's looking like it's getting to that nice key level where we want to buy. But with everything showing that we're still in that bearish move, we're just going to sit and hold and wait for the right time to get in, which could be any day or so. But we still want to see what happens with Russia and Ukraine because we don't know how that's going to affect the market as time goes through this week, as the days go. So that's something that you just we got to keep an eye on and see before we make any, trade decisions. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, subscribe. Go ahead. And I completely forgot to have my banners on. Wow, Cam. Sorry, I try to do the controls and try to talk, so that sucks. But anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, join the Telegram, like this video, smash it as much. If you want more videos, more content, that's what makes it keep going. And I'll see you guys next week on Tuesday for another altcoin season show. Okay, so thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Take care.